Hello there, welcome to a new Matilda Manicure series, breaking down particular parts of my at-home mani routine in more detail. My nail tutorial from 2019 is one of the most popular videos on my channel, nearly 750,000 views, which is mad. I will be filming an updated version of that this year, but I thought it might be helpful to have spin-off episodes that run through specific steps, tools, and products and do a deeper dive on certain topics, starting with some of my favourite self-care products, cuticle and hand hydrators. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Very grateful to be continuing my work with the popular website building platform. If you'd like to catch up on all of my previous nail process videos so far, you can find a new blog post on matildaonvideo.com. I'll cover cuticle maintenance and how to tidy up your cuticles in future, but hydration is an important part of the package too. Keeping your skin happy with cuticle oils or serums and hand creams makes your whole manicure look fresh and neat. Arranging these products by texture from lightest to heaviest, and I'll leave several discount codes for the brands below. Your cuticle is actually the dry, dead skin that builds up on the surface at the base of your nail plate. So we're not just hydrating that, we're giving your skin at the base of your nail, known as your proximal nail fold, and the sides lots of love too. Olive and June Cuticle Serum changed the game for quick cuticle care on the go. If you find cuticle oil too messy, this serum is so thin and absorbent instead. The foam tip glides on, sinks in quickly. If you have very dry skin, it might not be enough, so I do like to do extra clicks and a smoosh so I can see how much product I'm spreading. Key ingredients: cactus flower extract, avocado, sunflower seed, and apricot kernel oils. Scent: fragrance-free. OPI Pro Spa Nail and Cuticle Oil is delightfully light and thin, so it absorbs well with a quick massage and doesn't leave fingers feeling slippery. I keep this on my desk and brush it straight onto the base and sides of my nails. It also comes in a to-go pen, but that has a different texture I'll talk about later. Key ingredients: cupuaçu, grapeseed, sesame, and sunflower oils. Scent: those natural plant oils meets a faintly citrus smell, not too strong though. Essie Apricot Oil Cuticle Treatment is a popular option in the industry and the newest formula I've been testing. As with any cuticle oil, a little goes a long way, so always remove the excess before applying. This is thicker than OPI's oil with a shorter brush, so it's a bit easier to be more precise. Key ingredients: apricot kernel, jojoba seed, and sunflower seed oils. Scent: sweet, apricot, fruity, also a bit soapy to me. OPI Pro Spa Nail and Cuticle To Go interestingly isn't the same formula as the bottle. This has a built-in brush and thicker gel texture, almost jelly-like, so you really have to spread it. I personally prefer a more melty texture like Dior Next, but this gel won't slide down the sides of your nails if you're at your desk, and it feels barely there once you work it in. Key ingredients: all of the same plant oils with the same plant oil/citrus scent. Dior Huile Abricot Daily Nutritive Serum is a treat to use. It's called a serum, but it's more like a cross between a gel and an oil. Not as thick as the OPI pen, but not as runny as an actual oil. I brush this on, then give myself a mini massage. I do this after I apply any nail product, repeatedly working it into the base and sides of my nails and top edges of my fingers. Key ingredients: argan, camellia, and apricot oils. Scent: sweet, strong apricot. Love it. Dior Crème Abricot Apricot Nail Cream has been the queen of the luxury nail care category since 1963. Such a thick, sticky cream, so this texture needs a lot more work to help it sink into the skin around your nails, but I really look forward to using it in front of the TV at night when I can keep mindlessly massaging and don't have to use my hands in a hurry. The most nourishing product here. Key ingredients: lanolin, glycerin, beeswax. Scent: sweet apricot again. Two fantastic multitasking moisturizing formulas that work well on nails too. Weleda Skin Food has been a famous multi-purpose skin soother since 1926, a heavy-duty hydrator that's popped up in celebrity makeup bag episodes and my in-flight routine. A little bit of this intense ointment-like cream goes a long way, whether you're using it as a calming moisturizer, treatment for dry, rough cuticles, or mixing it into hand cream. Key ingredients: calendula, chamomile, lanolin, and sweet almond oil. Scent: orange and lavender. Lanolip's Golden Dry Skin Salve has been the MVP of multitaskers for me in recent years. This intense healing ointment is an excellent all-rounder for any patches of particularly dry skin, lovely as a repairing lip balm, and I often work the excess into my cuticles. Key ingredients: lanolin, manica honey and vitamin E. Scent: shea buttery vanilla, a bit of honey but nowhere near as sweet or strong as the fruity Lanolip's balm flavours. A quick and cost-effective way to add cuticle oil into your routine is taking an existing face or body oil in your bathroom and just using that. Or you could decant it into a DIY nail pen. Easy to fill with a favourite formula and use on the go. I bought a slim, simple set of 5, but they're sadly not refillable, didn't realise that, so I'll take them to TerraCycle when they're done and find a refillable option. Before we hit hand creams, if all of these close-up nail shots are making you want to pause and paint your nails right now, you can find my original nail tutorial and other ASMR-like painting videos in a new blog post on matildaonvideo.com. My website is sort of the middle child between my YouTube channel and Instagram, and a great place to gather up groups of videos for you on specific topics with the click of a button and pasting in each URL. Couldn't be easier. If you're getting into blogging or want to set up a website this year, you can visit squarespace.com/Matilda to save 10% on your first website or domain name purchase. You can find an earlier hand cream video on my channel with even more formulas I love. I try to apply it every night before bed, but I've picked 5 of my most used tubes here, including brands that are more widely available in different countries. Olive and June Hand Serum starts us off at the lightest end of the hand hydration world. If you're not a hand cream person, this might be the one for you because it's a thin, absorbent serum instead. The most lightweight product I've come across and my only desk hand cream. It sinks in so quickly. Key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, cactus flower, and fruit extracts with AHAs to gently exfoliate your skin. Scent: fragrance-free. Necessaire's hand cream is a hand cream, but it's next on the list because it has such a light, creamy texture. Much like Necessaire's incredible body lotion, after I massage it in, my hands feel so soft and smooth without any residue. As a result, it's become one of my favourites to help spread out heavier cuticle products, so you're left with a satiny feel. Key ingredients: peptide, niacinamide, and vitamins C and E. Scent: fragrance-free. Quarterly hand and nail cream is something I've bought in bulk in French pharmacies before, and you can find the brand at Sephora internationally. Been through a bit of a rebrand, so it's now called the Vinotherapist Hand and Nail Repairing Cream. A simple, moisturising formula with a nourishing feel, but it's not too heavy or greasy. Key ingredients: shea butter, grapeseed, avocado and olive oils. Scent: Quarterly's usual grape-like, softly fruity scent. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Main, which means hands, is a barrier repairing cream with a balmy texture that somehow still feels quite light, almost like a cross between a gel, jelly and balm. It was created for sensitive skin and leaves hands with a soft coating or protective barrier. This is what I use on family and friends if they have particularly dry skin. Key ingredients: 30% glycerin, 4% niacinamide. Scent: fragrance-free. Fenty Skin Hydra Reset Intensive Recovery Glycerin Hand Mask is as nourishing as the name is long. This heavier gel cream leaves a noticeable coating and veil, so I like to quickly brush the front and back of my hands on my legs or arms afterwards to get rid of that filmy coating. Then you're just left with super silky skin. Key ingredients: 40% glycerin, panthenol and murumuru and mango butters. Scent: strong tropical fruit meets floral. My hands have never felt better than after filming this. Keeping your cuticles, nails and hands hydrated is a quick way to have a moment of calm in your day, and it has an impact, giving your manicure a hydrated glow. Go on, treat yourself to a mini massage and get that product in there. Please let me know the top moisturising formulas in your nail care routine, or if you're just getting started creating a routine, great to have you here as we explore more manicure steps in more detail. Feel free to leave any questions or problems you face when painting your nails in the comments so I can see what to cover. Thanks for watching. See you next time.